I find in life and in careers that there are a lot of people who will, after you succeed at something, come up to you and say, I always meant to do X or Y, or I always thought I would, blah, blah, blah. But they didn't. And that is kind of the defining line is, do you really want to do it? And if you do it to the full extent that you're able. Do not give yourself the excuse of doing it most of the way. And that way, if you fail, you have an excuse as to why you failed in your head, not in your heart. You're not telling this to other people, but if you've done it as well as you can do it. And that's what and that is something that I learned by failing at things. There are things that I applied for that I did not get. There was a fellowship I applied for that I just wrote something and said, well, maybe they'll say yes. And they did not, rightfully so. And I would say, step up and own it. Step up and own what you're trying to do. When you see an opportunity, an opening, and you get the chance to do it. Don't kind of do it. Don't half do it. Ask for help. Ask what else you can do. Take on more responsibility, because those things are noticed. Those things are appreciated. It helps you work your way up, but it also helps you have friends around you. And then I would say one more thing that the dean mentioned, which I really believe in, which is be kind. Assume the best of the other person. Try your best with that, because that takes you a long way. I didn't realize for very many years how important it is to be a kind and open person. Your work will speak for you in many ways, but so does your demeanor. So if you sort of try to see the kindness and the best and people in the best light, I think that really helps you in sort of a satisfaction in life, not just satisfaction in your career.